Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about joint variation. So if you have information like y varies as x and z, if y varies as x and z, then you can write this as y equal kxz, okay, where k is the constant of variation or some non-zero constant factor. So in this case, if you have two cases, for example, if the given information is y equal tan xz when z equal -2 and x is equal 3. So how will you find y in this case? So y is equal tan, x is 3, z is -2. So your answer will be 3 multiplied 2, 6, and negative sign is in front. 6 multiplied 10 will give you 16. So y will be -16. That will be the simplest type of question. Now how it can be advanced? Now since the constant of variation remains same, as I've said in the previous video, so if you have two cases where y1 is equal k x1 z1 and y2 is equal k x2 z2, then in this case constant of variation k will be equal y1 over x1 z1, and here the constant of variation will be y2 over x2 z2. So since the constant of variation remains same, what I did simply here, I took this information, divide here, divide with this information both side, you will get this. So you will get y1 over x1 z1 equal y2 over x2 z2. You can use this information to solve problems. Now how we will solve? Let's see an example. Okay, so remember this now. This is important. Now first question we have y varies jointly as x and z. So when I say y varies, y equal k, x and z, x, z. Now find y, basically you have to find y when x is equal 9 and z is equal 3. Okay, and if y is equal 20 when x, z is equal 3 and x is equal 5. So now this is the given information. What you will use now? y1 over x1 z1 equal y2 over x2 z2, right? Now y1 here, in this case if you are taking this one, y1 x1 z1, y2 z2 x2. So y1 you need to find, x1 is 9, z1 is 3, so 9 multiplied 3 equal y2 is 20, divide x2 is 5 multiply with 3, and that's it. Now you do the cross product and you can solve it. So y2 will be, so this is 3 and 3 both sides, so I will remove from here. 20 divided 5 will give you 4, and this 9 will be the cross product, so 4 multiply 9 will give you 36. So y2 is sorry, y1, we are, my mistake, this is y1, right? So y1 is 36. Let's try one more example. I'm sure you will definitely understand. Now question number 2 says, suppose r varies jointly. So when I say r varies, r equal v and t. V and t, take a constant variation. So r1 over v1 t1 equal r2 over v2 t2. We will use this information. Now the given, this is all given information this side, okay? Now find r when v equal 2 and t equal 8. and R is equal, if R is equal 70, when V is equal 10, T equal 4. This is all given information. Now we will apply this given information in this equation number 1. R1, so let's say this is R1, V1, T1. This is R2, V2, T2. Or you can take this is R2, V2, T2, R1, V1, T1. That's not a problem. Okay, so R1 we need to find. V1 is 2, T1 is 8, R2 is 70 divide V2 is 10 multiply 4. Okay, so this is 70 divide 10 will give you 7. This is 4 here, so let's do the cross product now to make it simple. So 4R1 is equal 7 multiply 2 multiply 8, divide 4 both sides. R1 will give you 8 divide 4 will give you 2. 2 multiply 2 4, 4 multiply 7 will give you 28. So R value is 28. That's how you solve problems on the joint variation. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.